Hello students. So far we have studied several characteristics of language. Remember that these characteristics are of not only English language, but they are of all language. That is, all languages are means of communication, all languages are systematic, all languages are social. So these characteristics are applicable to all languages. Often I have talked about language is arbitrary. Now this word arbitrary has come in the definition also. At that time I have briefly explained to you what it means. But today what we are going to see exactly what it means. Here is a picture. You see the tree is shown in this picture. Now this tree is an object, and to represent that object the word tree is used. Now this word tree is symbol for this object. When somebody utters the word tree, you remember this object. So this word symbolizes this object. This word is a sign, or it refers this object. Now the point is that, is there any relation between this object and this word tree, or why specifically this word? Why not table? Why not chair? These words are not used to represent this object. So there is no reason, logical reason behind this. In the course of development of language, the people began to call this object tree, so we are calling it tree. So this is a conventional, and you know that language is conventional also. So you see that there is no connection between this object tree and this object, this word tree. So there is no inherent connection, natural inbuilt, and it is called arbitrary. Now the same thing is related with the concepts. You know that there are many concepts in language. For example, a concept of a feeling of intense anger is called wrath. Now why this concept, that is a feeling of intense anger, is represented by the word specifically wrath? Is there any reason? No. So there is no connection, inherent natural connection between this concept and this word. So in all languages there are objects, notions, concepts which are represented by certain words, but there is no logical reason behind why they are called or why they are represented by those words or terms, and that relation in language is called arbitrary. Do you understand? I hope you have understood.